Hello, good evening, students. This is Habib once again interacting with you. And now, today, I am going to give a very important information which will keep you 100% successful in the coming NEET examination. In my last video, I told you how to plan to get the success in NEET. General introduction I gave, and in that I told you in my next video I am going to discuss about subject wise and how to get, how to plan, how to work, all these I told you, and today I came to explain this. Especially you are all aware of this, smart work only make you successful in any competitive examination. Hard work, if you do, hard work will be done by many people. Even a rickshaw puller also will do hard work. I am not degrading him, but hard work means that one. Smart work means which work we have to do, which work we are not supposed to do. If you have this clarity, then we can say that it is a smart work. Then in any competitive examination, this is NEET, such a huge competitive examination. In that, if you are not preparing yourself smartly, then 100% you cannot expect the good result. So today, this video is going to help you a lot to do that particular smart work. And especially, you are all aware of this, we have three subjects mainly in NEET: bio, physics, and chemistry. Now, if I ask anyone, being a senior most physics faculty from the past 25 years I have been teaching, then in this most of the medical aspirants, most of the medical students who are writing the medical entrance examinations, if I ask them, they will say that bio is very easy, then chemistry is easy, physics is very tough. Yes, I will also accept the same. But if you do that tough subject in a smart way, then success will be yours. And today, this video is going to help you how to do physics in a smart way. Smart way means less work, more result. Less means more planning and good result. That's only I am going to discuss today. Especially in order to get the success in a NEET, you have to score minimum of 500. Of course, it depends on state to state. But if I say 500 is a minimum mark, in that, in order to score that 500, physics you can expect minimum 100. If physics 100 marks if you score, then surely success will be yours. And to get this 100 marks, you know well here, you have to do 25 correct questions. Then, to do these 25 correct questions, then how to plan physics work. And students, you are all aware that in physics altogether 11th and 12th, we have 28 chapters. And in these 28 chapters, 45 questions are in the final NEET examination. So at an average, 2 questions are there from each lesson. 2 questions are 1.5 like that. Means in some lessons you will get 1 question, and in some lessons you will be getting 2 questions. Like that we can say at an average. But if all these 28 lessons if we do, definitely it will be called as a hard work. Out of these 28, which lessons we have to do in order to score minimum of this 100? This I am going to discuss today. And this also simply as the situation came and the opportunity came for me. So let me tell whatever the chapters I want. Not like this. These chapters I am going to discuss based on 2 things. One is very important is trend. Trend means if the last 10 years papers if I observe how the questions are appearing, how the question paper is setting the questions from those chapters, I observed this trend. That is very, very important. Because in the last 10 years, how was the trend? In the same way, even this year also we can expect the questions from those chapters. This is one important. Second important point, which is another very, very crucial one, is difficulty. If the lesson is very difficult, but that is very important for NEET point of view, then if you select that lesson, surely you will not get the marks. That's why you have to see both the things. One is trend, second one is difficulty level. If you focus on these two, then definitely you will be the winner. That is called the smart work. Now today I am going to tell on which lessons we have to focus. Let us see. The very first lesson in this one is work, power, energy. Work, power, energy is very, very important lesson. And in this lesson, at an average of 2.4 questions are appearing in every year. The last 10 years, total appeared questions from this lesson 24. Then trend is good because minimum of 2 questions you can expect from this. So trend is 100% suggesting, please select work, power, energy. Then second one is difficulty. Difficulty, work, power, energy is very easy in my point of view. The reason is work, power, energy lesson from your childhood you are learning. From your 3rd class, 4th class only what is work, what is power, what is energy you have learned. So definitely if you choose this lesson, it will 100% give you good marks from this particular. So you please focus on work, power, energy. And in my later sessions, in my later videos, I will explain you in work, power, energy what formulae we have to concentrate and what subtopics we have to concentrate. That all I will discuss in my next videos. Now, this is the first one. And the second one is rotational motion. Definitely, if I take this rotational motion, majority of the teachers also will wonder, students also will wonder, what is this, sir? Rotational motion is very tough lesson. How can you select that? Students, I am telling out of my experience, I am telling, rotational motion is not a tough lesson, but we should understand the concept properly, and we have to, we should have some clear idea on that particular lesson. Definitely that rotational motion will never disappoint you. It will give you the mark. So rotational motion is very easy, not that much difficult, because you are not preparing for JEE or advanced. You are preparing for NEET. So surely if you prepare with your plan and on what subtopics we have to focus on this, if you take care, surely you can do this particular lesson. And the trend is 36 questions appeared in the last 10 years. 36 question means minimum you can expect 3 questions from this lesson. 3 questions you can expect from this lesson. So definitely it is also 100% a choosable lesson. Then the third one, if you take, it is gravitation. This is another only formula based concept and very easy to score, and students also will accept. Yes sir, you are telling very easy it is. And in this, almost in the last 10 years, if you see the trend, 26 questions came from this lesson. So minimum of 2 questions you can expect from this. So this is what, the third lesson. Then if you take the fourth one, that is heat, which is very, very, very important lesson. Heat means in this some sub lessons are also there, like expansions, thermodynamics, kinetic theory of gases, like that you can say. And all these are in your lower classes you have learned, and almost all formula based questions you will get in this particular. So, and the trend, if you see, 56 questions appeared in the last 10 years. You just imagine how important this particular lesson is. 56 questions. So minimum of 5 questions you will expect from this particular lesson. So heat is also another very important lesson on which you have to focus. So altogether, this is only from the 11th syllabus I am suggesting. Just 11th syllabus only, this much I am just supposing. Now, if you go to the next lesson, it is current electricity. So generally current electricity, everybody will feel that it is very tough. No, current electricity is not tough, because many students will feel that in that big circuits are there and a lot of formulae are there, and no, it is not like that. You have to study with a plan. You have to concentrate on the concepts, and very easy to score the marks in this. And the trend also, 36 questions appeared in the last 10 years. So minimum you can expect the 3 questions from this lesson. So current electricity is another very important and valuable. So the next, if I go, this is another very important, that is modern physics. Modern physics. It is very important. Why? Of course, modern physics means it is not a single lesson, and in this one you can say dual nature, atoms and a nuclei. Three sub lessons are also there. So in this one, if you take the trend, nearly 67 questions appeared in the last 10 years. Very easy, just formula based. No complexity, no lengthy derivations, no lengthy applications. Very simple formula based. So modern physics. Modern physics means atom is there, nuclei is there, dual nature is there. So if you focus on that, you will get 67. And in this one, minimum you can expect the 6 questions. So up to here, if you see 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 3, 15 plus 6, 21 over. So these are some lessons. Now one more I will discuss. Here is next one is seventh one is semiconductors. Semiconductors, which is another for almost current electricity concepts only. So semiconductors is another very simple and very important. In the last 10 years trend, if you see, 39 questions almost came from this. So you can expect a minimum of 4 questions from this. So almost here 21 plus 4. So total how much it is? Then it is 25. So your questions match. So not too many lessons. I have selected only 7 lessons. Of course, in this one some 3 subtopics are there. In this one some 3 subtopics are there. All those if you add also, you will be getting 10 to 11 lessons. We have almost 2 months of the time, students. We have 2 months of the time. Very easy to focus on these lessons. Okay. So for grace also, I am going to give some grace lessons. Only on these lessons if you focus 25. But 25 out of 25, sometimes it's not possible also to get us. So for this particular, these are main, compulsory. You have to do, must do. You have to do 7 in this one. These are compulsory, means must. You have to do all these lessons without any, what you can say, without any chance or without any choice. Then in my future lessons, in my future sections, in my future classes, I will take each and every lesson, what are the important formulae and how the previous trend, what was the previous trend and what questions asked from that particular lessons earlier. Now on what formulae we have to focus in order to get 100% success in that lesson in 2020 NEET. That I will tell you. So don't forget, 100% watch my future videos also, so that you will get definitely the main important formulae, important concepts, what we have to do. You will get a very clear idea. Now, along with these 7 measure 7 I told you, along with this measure 7, you remember another you can take as wave optics. This is my speciality of this particular class. Majority people, majority teachers, they won't suggest you rotational motion, they won't suggest you current electricity, they won't suggest you wave optics. But I am advising students, if we have a good plan and if we have a good conceptual knowledge, surely these questions will 100% help us. And in the last 10 years, approximately 20 questions appeared from this lesson. And in this one, you cannot expect the numerical other than interference concept, you know well. Remaining all theory based questions. So if you focus on this, so definitely you can get minimum of 2 questions from this. But these are all choice, no, additional, so that it will give some space. If any 1 or 2 questions if you lose in the previous chapters, you can get from that. So don't forget, prepare even these lessons also. Then another important what I am going to suggest is wave motion, in which almost 22 questions appeared in the past 10 years. So you will be getting 2 more. These 2 are related also, some wave concept only. So wave motion also you please take into consideration. Then AC, another very important lesson. In this one nearly 15 questions came in the last 10 years. And the last one is, I will suggest you simply vectors. So these 4 lessons you take as a complementary. Complementary it is. It is not 100%. It's a complementary. The previous 7 major lessons I told, those are mandatory, those are compulsory. But these if you take as a complementary, 100% 25 marks, 25 questions you can easily do, and 100 marks you will get. And mainly, while doing the physics, you always remember strategy and the confidence. This is very important. How your mind is, how you are thinking about the subject, this is very important. If you are becoming panic about the subject, you will never get the success. But if you follow these videos, 200% I will assure you, you can do minimum of 20 to 25 questions in the NEET 2020 examination without any confusion. You will wait for the NEET examination to crack physics in the NEET. Dear students, so complementary also you got. So main course you got, complementary you got. But remember, in any competitive examination, to get the success, studying all lessons is the first priority. I am not suggesting you only you read these lessons, you study these lessons only to get the success. But this is only my assumption, my proposal. If you want, you follow. If you don't want, please don't follow. If you read all the 28 lessons, if you study and prepare for the NEET examination, 100% I will give you all the best to you. But the trend what I observed is also based on some previous papers and all this. So based on that, I suggested you, if you feel good, then you accept it. If you are not feeling good, then you please follow other lessons also. You please study other lessons also to score well in the physics. I hope you understood. Thank you. Thank you very much. Good luck.